Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to fix watch video icon tab missing on Facebook. So to get started, first of all, what you're gonna do is click on settings. Now under the settings, click on apps and notifications. Now click on Facebook. Once you do that, click on storage and clear cache. Once it's done, update your Facebook on Play Store and go back to Facebook. Once you are under the Facebook, as you can see, you will be up here with your login home page. So simply type down your username, email and password and log in it. Once it's done, you can see the video icon is not missing now. So that's how easily you can fix video icon tab missing on Facebook. I hope it helps. If you found the video to be helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.